Hydrothermal explosion closes off Yellowstone National Park's Biscuit Basin. A hydrothermal explosion rocked Yellowstone's Biscuit Basin, causing significant disruption early Tuesday morning. The eruption unleashed boiling water and steam, damaging the boardwalk and surrounding areas. This localized event occurred at 10:19 a.m. near Sapphire Pool, 2 miles from Old Faithful. Officials have temporarily closed the basin, including the parking lot and boardwalks, for safety. Visitors are advised to stay updated on park conditions and adhere to safety guidelines. Stay tuned for more updates on Yellowstone National Park.